Hey, what's up everybody? So on this video I'm gonna show you how to take out the front lip of the GT-R because I ended up breaking it and I couldn't find a video online on how to take the front lip off. I don't know why nobody has made a good video on how to take it off, because I'm pretty sure that a lot of people has done it. So that's the reason I'm making this video, to show you how to take it off. So now that I took off the front lip, I'm gonna give it to my friend Jeff and he's gonna work on it. So let's check it out and see how he fixes it.
What I had to do was put these screws in to hold this, because this was all, none of these rivets were holding. They were just, this whole piece was flopping. So I ran these screws in to hold the whole piece in good to this. And then once all this is done and smoothed out, we find the rivets, we need to put a rivet in every hole. Every one of them holes needs a rivet. I think what happened, the way it looked, is when you backed up, this piece right here was hanging a little bit and it caught, because the tear was actually going toward the front of the car. So it caught either right here, that's where it looks like it caught. You see where it rolled up right there. Same thing here, that's rolled toward the front, so it actually tore it up when you went backwards. All your scrub marks that are coming this way, they don't really hurt it, but when you back up and it catches that lip, that edge, it tears it. But anyway, need to let that cure overnight. You come back with a little bit of filler to smooth it out good, sand it down, then you wrap it. Once you make your repair where the damage or cracks were, here and here, using short strand fiberglass, it's always a good idea to come back in and put a few extra rivets along this edge, because this is what's going to hang low and catch if you back up. So we got a few extra ones. They had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across there from the factory, and we've got about 10. So we doubled up. That's what we got. All right, Kevin, stay off them drop curves.
So thanks to Jeff, I ended up fixing it for under $100. That's way cheaper than buying a new one. I think on eBay, if you buy a new one, it's like $1,500. If you buy it from Nissan, it's like over $2,000. And honestly, I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen again, because even in the big cities, I live in the south, it's like in a small town, it's like really bad for cars like that, even though it's not that low, but being lower than normal cars, it's gonna end up damage it. So I figured I'd give it a try and end up trying to fix it, instead of spending over $1,000 buying a new one. when I know better that it's gonna happen again. Probably I try my best not to make it happen again, but accident happens, shit happens. So in my opinion, it even looks better than the original one, because I ended up wrapping it with carbon fiber. So when I finished wrapping it with carbon fiber, you can't even tell that it was damaged. The only way you can tell it's damaged if you get it under and see what I really wrap it and cracked. But besides that, nobody's gonna really notice it if you like just walking by. You have to be looking really hard for it. So in my opinion, it looks better, and for probably like $100, you can end up fixing and saving a lot of money. So this is what it looks now. As you can see, it looks pretty good. Sorry, my car it's a little dirty. I haven't got time to watch it, but I hope this video was really helpful for you, and thanks for watching.